Hello viewers, I am Aditya Bhardwaj and today we will see what is the Big Bang. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so you get notifications of my video. Coming back to our topic, what is the Big Bang? The Big Bang is the name for the leading theory behind the birth of everything: atoms, light, gravity, gases, stars, planets, galaxies, and even time itself. And while scientists have found plenty of evidence to back up the Big Bang theory, the name itself isn't entirely accurate. The universe didn't begin with a bang. Sound didn't exist yet, or even a mighty explosion. Fire and matter didn't exist either. Even light was relatively late addition to the cosmic chronology. Confused? Here's a guide to how scientists think it all began. In the beginning, a long time ago, time didn't even exist, neither did space. And in this nothingness hung a supremely hot spot crammed with all the raw ingredients of the universe crunched into a 1,000 times of smaller than a dot. Called a singularity, this spot might even have been smaller than an atom, the basic unit of matter. But it wasn't an atom because atom didn't exist yet. A trillionth of a second later, suddenly the supremely hot scrunched up singularity doubles in size and then doubles again and then again, at least 90 times in a process known as inflation. This is the bang in the Big Bang, and it gets bigger, expanding faster than the speed of light. This growth spurt defies the laws of physics. Everything in the universe explodes into existence, but at this point, it's little more than a mess of furnace heat. 1 second later, inflation ends 1 millionth of a second after the start of the Big Bang. The universe expansion slows and temperature cools. It's just 1 second old. The newborn universe contains natural fundamental forces, including the gravity that keeps your feet on the ground and magnetic attraction. 3 minutes later, expansion continues. Proton, neutron and electrons, the itty-bitty components of atoms, collide and interact to form a sort of superheated form. But this mess is much too hot to allow atoms to form or even light to shine. 4 lakh years later, the hot mess cools enough for subatomic electrons to join protons and neutrons into formation of hydrogen atoms, the most common element in the universe, and the stuff stars are made of. The fog fades so that the light can finally shine, but the young universe is still without stars to create light. It continues its expansion in the darkness. 400 million years later, gravity slowly tugs at the cosmic clouds of hydrogen and helium, squishing them all together to form the first stars. This marks the end of universe's dark age. The star clusters together and form galaxies, including our own Milky Way galaxy. 6 billion years later, the first stars die and expel the heavier elements that eventually form new stars and planets. 13.8 billion years later, present day, all the matter and energy created by the Big Bang continues to expand today. New stars form from clouds of gas, old stars die and expel sooty clouds known as nebulae. Planets orbit stars, stars orbit the center of their galaxy, and galaxies dance with each other. Humans ponder the clockwork of the universe, just as you are doing now. Let's move to topics a little less complicated than the birth of time and space. What evidence do astronomers have for the Big Bang? Plenty. In fact, they see evidence everywhere they look in the universe. In 1924, astronomer Edwin Hubble noticed the galaxies outside the Milky Way, our home galaxy, were zipping away in all directions as if they were originated from a singularity. Astronomers also see the Big Bang's baby picture in a cosmic crackle of microwave energy and special ripples in gravity, both evidence of that inflation that gives birth to universe. The amount of hydrogen, helium and other elements across the universe all measure up to Big Bang's model. Astronomers also have failed to find any star older than 13.8 billion years, the approximate age of universe. So, what existed before the Big Bang? The short answer, nothing, nada, zip. But scientists still wonder if something existed before all the nothing. One theory, our universe is caught in an endless loop of explosions and crunches. Eventually, in billions and billions of years, the iron grip of gravity will slow the growth of universe, stall it, and then pull everything back towards its center, a process that astrophysicists call the Big Crunch. Planets, stars, and galaxies will slowly collapse back into the singularity that started it all, kicking off another Big Bang and a brand new universe. According to one theory, our universe is just of many alternate universes, just like it in a vast multiverse. When two of these universes interact at a quantum level, a level smaller than an atom, it kicks off a Big Bang and birth of a yet another alternate universe. Perhaps in an alternate universe right now, an alternate version of you is watching the alternate version of this video and having his or her alternate mind blown.